Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Back to my channel, guys. I'm 8 now. I'm not 7 anymore. Like last, like I was 3 months. I think I didn't do a video, but sorry guys. Today we're gonna do a fidget video. Do you know what fidgets are? They like puppets and stuff. So my first fidget that is, I'll bring it out. Is this is called Magic Maze. You just do stuff like this on it, and when you have it, then you can turn it on the other side, and you have to put like yellows here and whites here to complete the section, or yellows here and whites here to complete it. So that was the first fidget. Second fidget is this. I have lots of monkey noodles. This is one of them, snake monkey noodle. One sec, I'll get all the other monkey noodles. Then the other one. Sorry. One sec, guys. I know it's taking long, but one sec. There you go. Here are my monkey noodles. Oh my god, are you serious? One actually fell. So, these green monkey noodle and yellow monkey noodle, blue, purple monkey noodle here. You know, you can do stuff with it. Snake monkey noodle, pink monkey noodle, and this blue monkey noodle, and stuff like that. Pow. Pow. I do it. Alright, so monkey noodle, we have noodles. Now, these are wacky tracks. To me, some people call them wacky trackies, but they're actually called wacky tracks. So, this is what you can. I have two, so I'll use this one. And we can actually use this one. We can actually put them in half like this, and make a line, or do it again, and more and more and more and more. And you can put them back through. Yep. Like this. Okay, noodles. Now I have 2 spinners. I'll show you. I have a normal spinner. A green normal spinner. And I got a really cool, like, tiger spinner. You know what you do? You spin. Spin. All kinds of spinners are fidgets. If you have some, but I do fidget collection, and you go pop, 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 pop. Yeah. So we have our spinners. Now, these are the puppets that we're talking about. I'll get all my puppets. Puppet. So I got 4 puppets. First one is my bear puppet. You pop them with me. Next, I have a 2 wood side puppet. This square puppet. I got this circle thingy puppet. There. And I got this dinosaur puppet. This is really bad, this pop. And the other side is such a good one. See? Watch this out. See, so loud. A bit. Now I got a fuzzball. I mean, like a squishy. I got 2, like squishies. I have one here, like squishy. Okay. And I got another one right here. A banana one. Banana squishy. See? Boom, boom. Put these here. And now I have, you know what simple dimples are? I have 3 actually. So, one of them is this one. This simple dimple. There. Next one is this. Baby Yoda. It looks like Pikachu, but then we have this puppet again. Here we go. Now I got a snapper and an infinity cube. and a puzzle ball. So a puzzle ball is this. You have to make them into the right section. Like maybe there's nothing in this section right there. So you can put like maybe that one into it. See? Now there is a section. And this one goes in the dark. That puzzle up. Now we have infinity cubes. You can do lots of stuff with infinity cubes. Look. Boom, boom, boom. Put it into a square like this. Okay. And I have a snapper. It snaps like this. Like, yeah. Now, I got a wristband is also for, see? It's like a walkie track, but no, it's not a walkie track. It's like skinnier and longer. Not longer, shorter. You can make stuff like this. You can make glasses. Right? Now we have these. These are called magnet rings. You can whatever they just magnet together. They magnet on a fridge too. See? There, then you can teleport it into. You just have to say teleport. I'm gonna say teleport. Teleport. It's into that. And we have squishy like this. Yes, you can do this stuff. And we have a ribbit frog thingy. Right there. His tongues, it kills flies. And for last, we got a magnetic tube with cubes. Stick them together like that. Okay, guys, it's the end of my video. So I got a new phone. Bye, guys. I'm gonna buy in a second.